Vega 3-in-1 Hair Styler. Ceramic coated plates minimize heat damage. Switch to different styles with one styling switch. 360-degree swivel cord rotates and prevents unnecessary tangles. To straighten your hair, open the straightener plate by pushing the styling switch to one end. Glide the styler through your hair. Close the straightener plates by pushing the styling switch one step back. For a textured look, open the crimper plates by pushing the styling switch to the other end. Press the crimper plates to create a textured look. Close the crimper plates by pushing the styling switch one step back. To curl your hair, push the styling switch to the middle and lock the styler. Open the clamp with your thumb, wrap your hair